Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later. So guys, if you want to go live on Instagram and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to make sure that if you're properly connected with internet, if you're using mobile data, turn to Wi-Fi or vice versa. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to open App Store, Play Store. So let me open App Store, Play Store, and here you have to search for the Instagram and just simply have to make sure that you're using latest version of the app. And after that, close this page. Now open the settings, then scroll it down. From here you have to tap on general, then scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to locate for the Instagram. So let me search here guys, just simply have to offload the app. In case of Android phone, clear the cache or storage and then log in your account again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then it means your country is not eligible to go live on Instagram. Okay guys, and it means you have not enough followers. Okay guys, if this isn't the case guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to launch the Instagram app, then tap on your profile, then tap on three lines. From here you have to scroll it down. Now locate for the help section. Here you can see guys, tap on that. From here guys, tap on account status and make sure that if your account is showing here green dots, so you can see here guys, that means your account is okay. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on report a problem. Then from here you have to tap on report a problem again, tap on include and continue. Let me tell you that you have to take the screenshot of your problem first, and here you have to write that hello Instagram team, I want to go live on Instagram and it's not working and getting the error as per screenshot. And after that guys, tap on send. Your request will be sent and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.